Hello and welcome to part 3, which means testing the alternator. Okay, we just scroll down to charging test. Wait until it analyzes. And follow the instruction. It says, so rev the engine to 2500 and hold for 10 seconds. So, we're gonna step on the gas and try to hold it for 10 seconds. So that the battery tester is gonna analyze all the voltage. All right, let's see what it says. Okay, now we press enter, and it is testing the alternator right now. Okay, so the charging normal. So this means that your alternator is good. So it is already producing enough power to charge the battery. Okay.